Mr. Johnson, yes, good afternoon, sir, and thank you for holding. This is Kay. I am afraid to inform you that your finance application, sir, is not approved. Why, sir? I will be sending you an email as to the details of why you're not approved, sir. Why, sir? Like I said, I will be sending you an email as to why your finance application was not approved. Can you hold a second, please? I want to tell my why that man perplex my tranquility today. I tell him say it not approve him ask me why. I say I will be sending you that email instead of ask me why again. Wanna see my trial though. Wanna see why I never have strength. Lord give me strength to face another day. Luciana, your song really and truly work this time because me need the strength. Me just tell him why and he might ask me again. Yes, Mr. Johnson, thank you again for holding, sir. Like I said, it was not approved, and I will be sending you an email, sir, as to further details. Why, sir? Hold a second again, please. May I just tell the man why a while ago said ask me again why. Is he them ears no bore? I find my baby him just no listen. See ya? Lord give me strength to face another day. Me have to sing. Hold on again there. Thank you for holding again, Mr. Johnson. Yes, sir. I will be sending you an email. Yes, sir, with further details. All right, hold just a moment, please. I'm going to hold until thy kingdom come. Cause once me tell you say it not approved, I do not know why you're going over me because I am the person in charge. So if me tell her say it not approved, it just not approved. Make him stay there all. Lord, give me strength to see ya. I don't know why Mr. Johnson not perplex my tranquility today. When me say it not approved, him still perplex me. Sure. He went all until tomorrow. Come and answer him back. Him lucky.